with the left foot. Without a strong rhyme, step two. Look at how many weeks shows you slept through. Time's up, I'm sorry I kept you. Taking a picture, you miss. The vibe from the microphone solo with CB6 by the radio and on the dial soon. As you hear it, pump up the volume. Dance with the speaker till you hear the glow. Then plug in the headphones, here we go. It's a call and a word when it's heard to control your body to dance. So, not text the tempo like a murderer. Reach it to reflex and let it hurt. When this is playing, we can't be stopped with the steps, so to say, and understand come up with. I used to be swift, follow the leader, the rhyme will go death with the record that was mixed a long time ago. It could be done, but only I can do it. But then we back and dance and clap your hands to it. I start to think, and then I sink into the paper like I was in. When I'm writing, I'm trapped in between the line I take. When I finish the rhyme, I got soul. The stage is empty. This might take me to go to my rings in the factory. Rapping like I'm also the train, but I wait, cause I master this. Let the others go first, so the brothers don't miss. How we break the sticks. Why can we begin when you make the mix? I'll experiment like a scientist. You wanna rhyme? You gotta sign my list. Cause I'm a manifest, the rest of my God. Oh, you want it next? Then you gotta have soul. Cause if you ain't got it, I'ma make an encore. Take the mic, make the people respond for the R. Cause that's the way it'll have to be. If you wanna get on after me, think about it. Forget it, and don't waste your time. Cause I'll be in the crowd if you ain't controlling it. Drop the mic, you shouldn't be holding it. This is how it should be done. My style is identical with us. Sometimes make it sound like this until
それではジャッジの皆さん、準備はよろしいでしょうか。はい、ありがとうございます。それでは行きましょう。3、2、1、ジャッジ。勝ったのはオルフェンズの涙。